matrix addition. Add matrix A equals to 1 minus 3, 0, 1, 2, 0, and matrix B equivalent to 2, 3, 1, 2, minus 1, 0. So solution here is, write it, take note on the matrix addition. Matrix addition is defined only for matrices with the same dimensions or the same order. So this one, A there, dimension is the 2 rows and 3 columns, and B here is 2 rows and 3 columns, so 2 by 3 dimensions. So you can add this matrix A and matrix B because they have the same dimension. So the role here is simply to add the 2 matrices A and B, add their corresponding elements, meaning elements 1 should be added to element 2 on B. So that is why you have A plus B there equivalent to 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, this one. Then another one is 0, 0 plus 1, so 1 is 2 minus 1. Then the next row there is minus 3 plus 3, 1 plus 2, 0 plus 0. So simplify that one. So that one equivalent to 3, 0, 1, 3, 1, 0. So the answer here would be 3, 0, 1, 3, 1, 0. So we go to matrix subtraction. Okay, subtract matrix A and B, where A there, matrix A is equivalent to 2, 3 minus 2, 1, 0, 6, and B equivalent to minus 3, 3, 1, and 3 minus 2, 0. So here is a role here in matrix subtraction. In matrix subtraction, it is just similar to matrix addition. The only thing is that you change the sign of all the elements of B and proceed to addition. So you have that one. A minus B equivalent to 2, 3 minus 2, 1, 0, 6 here. Then you have to plus, you add, but change the sign of these elements on B to 3 minus 3 minus 1, minus 3, 2, 0. So you have to add that one. Your result would be 2 plus 3 simply 5. 1 plus minus 3 is minus 2 there. 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 plus 2 is, you have that one 2 there. Then you have that one minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. 6 plus 0 is simply 6. So the result is this one, 5, 0, minus 3, minus 2, 2, and 6. So what's the difference? It is just similar to addition, except that on subtraction, you do the addition but change the sign of all the elements of B. So that's all.